Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. So on my Instagram I did one of those little poll things that I do usually to figure out what videos you guys want me to do, and I said which video should I film first, and 47% of the people voted on nighttime routine and 53% of the people voted for a room tour. So I'm gonna do the room tour in this video, and then tomorrow I'm gonna film a nighttime routine. So if you guys want to see what my room looks like in some detail, then keep watching. Okay, so when you walk in, this is my door, whatever. This is my robe that my best friend bought me. I have my old pink robe and then my towel that I use every single day. Now over here I have this like jewelry holder, and then when I do my makeup videos and I hold my hair up, it's usually with these. I have a few, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 little headbands over there. I have my gold on this side, which I usually wear more gold than I do silver. I don't know why, I just always been that way. But yeah, I have that going on, and more. What are these? Oh, these are my chokers on this side, and then I have like the rest of the gold jewelry that I wear. I'm not gonna say what that is, but yeah, looks like there's just mad chains in here, and the ring and some bobby pins. Okay, don't mind that. I'm not focused on that right now. So I have this rock right here, but if you guys are spiritual, then you would know what that is. I'm not gonna go into detail about that. This mirror I had for so many years. It doesn't even go with this, but it went with my old thing. So as you can tell, it's totally messed up. I'm not gonna have this for too long, but I'm not gonna get rid of it at the moment. I have this K right here, this gold K, my Monet chain, and my watch that I wear every single day, so that's why it's at the top. And then I got just some rings that I wear over here. I got this for my graduation. My grandma got that for me. This is my favorite perfume. It's almost done, but I have a whole bunch more where that came from. Yes, I used to play softball and I used to be a beast, and that's all I'm gonna say about that. Over here, this is mainly has to do with my nighttime routine, so I'm just gonna skip that. Over here I have my wallet. I don't even know why I have this here, but okay, whatever. Banging. My headphones, and then my I wouldn't call this a diary, but I do write a lot of my YouTube ideas and other stuff, private stuff in here. Over here I have my laptop and my laptop case, my blankets that I go to sleep with. To be honest, when I get to my bed, matter of fact, I'll just tell you right now, I do not go under here. I just don't go under there. I legit move all these pillows to the side, and I just take those 2 blankets and go to sleep with that. I have my suitcase over here. This needs to go into the garage, but I didn't do that yet, so it looks messy, but this isn't gonna be here long. I have like my summer clothes in here, a blanket that I do not use, and yep, that's that over here. Over here, legit my favorite part of my room, or one of my favorite parts of my room. I have my shoes color coordinated. I have more shoes in my closet, but these are like my favorite. So I have the nude, yellow, green, red, pink, purple, multicolor, and then I have silver into nude, and then black, and then of course like the colorful black. My white curtains, and this is my bed. I can't stand this, so this is so irritating. I'm not gonna have this stupid ass white cover for long. I'm gonna get an actual like big ass comforter, but not right now. I have my lights at the top of my bed. I got these from IKEA. I love this. I just love my lights. They just make everything look better. I have my children right here. Look how cute. Aww. How freaking cute. So this is my family. These 3 kids are new addition, and I've always had this baby, so that's that. Oh, by the way, if you guys would like to recommend me a place where I could get like a new really nice white comforter. I just don't like this, because you see how if I go like this, it does that, like that. Like, I just don't have time for that. And over here, I don't know if you can see it, but I sat on it with blue jeans and it got blue. So I just don't have time for that. So if you guys know where I could get like really nice comforters and pillows and all that good stuff, let me know. So I went back to my dresser because I'm going to show you what's in my drawers. I totally forgot. Like, I'm sure you guys want to see that. Okay, so the first drawer, I have glasses, a whole bunch of glasses, more poppin' shades or whatever. I have really, really nice ones. I just don't feel like opening them right now, but a whole bunch of glasses in this one. And then this drawer is so old, I can't even like fully close it. By the way, this is the Monet thing from the Louis Vuitton bags that came out. And I wanted it, but I didn't have $5,000 for one bag. So that wasn't going to happen. Of course, I have more glasses, Ray-Bans, and a watch, a Michael Kors watch that I need to get fixed. But that's for another day. Alright, ready? The prettiest drawer you're ever going to see. Alright, got stuck. Rewind. Okay, boom. The prettiest drawer you're ever gonna see. So, this is my bras, color coordinated. If you guys know or didn't know, I worked at Pink. So, by the way, all these bras in the back are a whole bunch of freaking sports bras stuck together because I just folded them in like in a little swirl thing because I don't have time to mix them in with these bras. So these are color coordinated. As you could tell, I really like pink. That's that. This, wow. I'm not blood anymore, so I'm just gonna throw those out because that's that. But yeah, these are my underwear drawers. There's just so, okay, cool. Just so much underwears in here. They used to be nice and neat, but unfortunately not anymore. That's by it. Messy. This is my sock drawer, and of course I have the stash because there's savages in my house, so I have to hide them. So that's the sock drawer. And then in this drawer I have like I'm not a drug addict or anything, but you might think so. Let's see, I don't know, these are just a whole bunch of vitamins that I absolutely do not take. My favorite, we got some Vicks. We have my hair towels from when I get out the shower. My shower caps and stuff like that are in here. And what is that? A hair treatment. Yep, I guess that's like a messy drawer, I guess. Now let me just go through this quick. This is my dressy clothes. I have some dresses over here, pants, skirts, all that good stuff. Here is my regular t-shirts. So that's that. I just finally decided to about 2 weeks ago, I just really went in and cleaned my room. These are like my two pieces. That's that. And those are all short sleeves, by the way. Over here, these are a pair of pants, and I just have long sleeves or crop top long sleeves and then just regular long sleeve sweaters. And this drawer is my, okay, my work clothes on this side, and then all my pajamas on this side. This is one big ass pajama, but yeah, these are all pajamas in here. Had to squish that to the side. I need more room. Okay, so my camera died. I'm gonna show you what's these drawers under my bed. So I have all these sneakers in this one, Mad Jordans in there, Nikes. I have this drawer, so I have all this big ass dust. Anyways, I have this drawer. I got these from IKEA, by the way, and I just rolled them back under. So that's that drawer. And then this drawer, these sneakers. Okay. And now let me jump to the other side just so I'm like focusing on the same thing. My mirror. My floor looks so dirty because it's black, but it just collects so much dust. Then I have this messy drawer. I don't know, I see Tim's in here and shoes that I do not wear, so that's that. I do wear my Tim's though. I got my beef from Broccoli's, damn. Forgot about those. Next drawer, I have some of my Uggs. The rest of my Uggs are like downstairs. Oh, shout out to my toe. The rest of my Uggs are just downstairs, like, you know, when you leave the house and you just slip them on. Then this one, I have a whole bunch of sandals, shoes, that, my pink slides and stuff like that. And just like, I guess summer, this will be like my summer drawer, I guess. Yeah, of course, the famous mirror. I always used to take pictures here, but I don't anymore. Okay, so over here is like what I use like almost every single day. So I have my lotions that I choose from, and this is my favorite baby cologne. I've been using it since I was a baby, so that's like legit my favorite. If you guys know what that is, comment below. My hair products on this side, my water bottle. I don't wash my hair every day anymore, but I do use this water bottle, and I fill it up with this right here. So this Diva Curl cream. I have my face stuff, my hair stuff, my deodorant, and then, oh, by the way, this is where I keep most of my makeup, and I'll show you that right now. So this drawer is all my face masks. This is all face masks right here. Makeup remover, my brush that I use like on a daily, and then just like other shit, other crap. The second drawer I have, this is all freaking lip stuff. So you see my Kylie stuff, my MAC. This is, I have so much stuff for lips, it's crazy. Like, this is so, it's just so much. And on this side is like my Halloween stuff. So this is like Halloween makeup stuff, fake nails, the jewels that I put on my face, and things like that. Now the third drawer is all my makeup palettes. So I have this palette, this one, Becca, Jaclyn Hill, Morphe. This one's Jaclyn Hill, this one's the Morphe, and then I just have like a whole bunch of other shadows. These metallic eyeshadows. This is the ColourPop, the Zodiac ColourPop, and yeah, I have a few, and I have a lot of little other ones in there. And then this one didn't fit in that one, but this is, you know, the holy grail, but that the Morphe James Charles palette. If I could open it, yeah, you see, popping. I only used it one time and I loved it. And then the rest is just like contour stuff. So I have, this is old but it still works really good, the NYX palette, another contour palette, and my two highlighters. I have more highlighters, but that's just that. And then the last drawer is packed, but this is where I keep my flat irons, my curling iron, and then all my curling rods. So no heat. If you guys want to have curls with no heat, just wrap your hair around this and go to sleep. So that's my yurt. So over here is actually a sewing table. My grandmother bought me this sewing machine. I kind of know how to use it, but I need a little bit of help. So if you guys know how to sew, hit me up and y'all can teach me. I do most of my makeup here. I have, this is like when I travel. I don't know if you can see it, the lighting is kind of trash. So over here is my travel bag. It's empty right now, so it's like my travel makeup case. Over here I have this super cute light. It needs batteries, but it does turn on obviously, and it's super cute. Unicorn I got as a present, which I freaking love. Me and my stepfather. This is just another like makeup bag. I have this little mirror right here that I just plug in and I can turn on. I have the makeup in here is the makeup that I use every single day. So I have this because I take it either to work with me or if I'm staying over at someone's house. Over here I have the Jaclyn Hill brushes. These are my James Charles brushes that my mom got me. These are the scissors that I used to cut my hair in that video where I look a hot mess. And this is, of course, I use this like every day, so it's right here at the top. That's my Kylie, which one is this one though? Candy K. So I always use Candy K, freaking love. This is my other mirror. This also turns on, but the thing is, it's so freaking annoying because, let me show you, where is it? This little plug, oh, and these are the lashes that I was going to use today, but I didn't. This little plug, you plug it into the little box, and look how short this is. What the heck is this? So you played yourself. You need to be, you know, thank God for this, because if it wasn't for this, because if it wasn't for this, I wouldn't even be able to be using this. Let me show you how dark my room's gonna be when this is off. Okay, what makeup am I doing without this ring light? None. So you know what, if you don't have a ring light, ladies, you need to really invest in one, because it's a freaking huge difference. Look, let me show you the difference. So this is me with the ring light. Okay. You just need to understand, like, it's much needed. So on this side, I have my black couch. I filmed so many makeup videos on it, so if you see like little spots, it's probably foundation, but if I really wanted to clean that, I'm sure I can. I'm thinking of selling it on Poshmark, so if anyone is interested in buying this super comfortable, cute couch, let me know. Now over here, I'm not going to show you what's in the bag because I am taking it with me on my trip that I'm going. When am I going on this trip? So this is my closet. I have I have more shoes up here. I have my Aldo shoes, Steve Madden, what's this? This is Guess. My Ralph Lauren shoes. I have some bags. I have my hat collection. So I have a whole freaking bunch of hats in here. They go on and on and on and on and on. So I have mad freaking hats. I have all my jeans, my sweats, my dresses, my jackets, and of course I have more freaking sneakers. And this is a hot ass mess. I should have cleaned it, but I didn't. So I have mad sneakers back there, back there, back there, more bags, umbrellas, slides. Honestly though, enough about all of this because I need a bigger closet than that. So when I get my own apartment, you guys, or house, I would love a walk-in closet. Definitely need that. So as for my room tour, I think it's pretty much done. Like, my room isn't the biggest room, so that's that. But the last thing I do have is this TV or whatever. Then I have this that my friend got me from Egypt. I have a hookah that I haven't touched since like high school, so don't pay attention to that. I have these flowers that I caught the bouquet over that by my cousin's wedding. I have the fire stick that needs to be jailbroken. My old ass PS2. I still love this baby. I have pictures. Look at me and my brother. I have a whole bunch of pictures and stuff like that in here. Junk drawer, I guess. And then last part of my room is my diffuser and all of my treatments. So those are my hair treatments that I have going on right now. So that's pretty much it for this room tour. If you guys do like, you know, my room or have any suggestions, comment below. Don't forget to like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your post notifications. So by the subscribe button, there's going to be a little bell, so make sure the bell is clicked on so you could be notified every time I post a video. So I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. 'Cause everything is okay right here.